Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA weather radio. All hazards to an alert test. 48 degrees occurred at 11:31.